How Temu coupons work. So open the Temu app or you can access it via the website. Now sign into your account. Now browse for coupons. So look for available coupons on the homepage or in the promotion section, and you can find special offers, free shipping, or percentage discounts. Now add products to your cart. So browse through the products you want to buy and add them to your cart. Now go to your cart. So once you are ready, tap on cart icon at the bottom of the screen to view your selected items. Apply for your coupon. So in your cart, you will see section to add a promo code. Tap on add coupon or apply coupon and enter the code you have found or received. Now verify the discount. So once the coupon is applied, the discount will show up in your total, and make sure it is corrected before you proceed. Now checkout. So if everything looks good, tap on checkout to complete your purchase with the coupon discount. Finally, enjoy your saving. So your coupon will be applied automatically, and you will pay the reduced price for your order. And this is how Temu coupons works. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.